Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Virgo Earth sign for the month of October. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So this is monthly reading. So Virgo, let's see your recent past. 2 of Cups, 5 of Cups, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, 8 of Swords. Yeah, definitely the connection is stuck, or one person in this connection is stuck. One person is also sad. For some there is separation also, but that person doesn't see the 2 of Cups which are behind still there. Yeah, 2 of Cups, definitely you both love each other. Still there is love between both of you, and this connection is protected by the angels. This is partial temporary separation between both of you. So see, under the deck, the Fool, definitely there is a chance for new beginning between both of you. So let's see what is going between both of you. Virgo, yeah, Page of Pentacles, communication, the Hermit, 5 of Pentacles. Yes, separation. Definitely one person in this connection is spiritually awakening, the Hermit. You or your person could be Virgo, definitely. And Page of Pentacles, yes, you will get communication, but it is slow. Definitely will get. You both will communicate in the month of October, those who are in separation. 9 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, the Empress. One person in this connection stand by their power. They are abundant, they are emotionally stable, but the other person in this connection want to work on this relationship and want to take this relationship to next level. It could be you or your person. 3 of Pentacles means partnership, or you both could be colleagues also. The Empress and 9 of Pentacles, definitely one person stand by their power. It could be you or your person, but one person stuck. It could be you or your person. There is separation. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. One card is 9 of Wands, 9 of Cups, 2 nines, 4 of Swords. I think they are wishing for this connection but not taking any action. They want this connection but not taking any action. They're still seeing like this, standing like this. This is guarding and they are guarded up. 9 of Cups. Yeah, they are wishing for this connection. They want this connection. Right now they are taking rest and they are in rest mode, and they are thinking about this connection a lot. They are thinking but not taking any action, because the Hermit mode is your person. Right now they are spiritually awakening. That's why they are not taking any action. So let's pull some more cards from the universe regarding the connection, Virgo. Yeah, Temperance. Definitely patience and balance is needed. 2 of Swords. Yeah, your person right now at some crossroads. Yeah, waiting. 4 of Cups. Yeah, I think you both feel sad for the missed opportunity with each other, and one person not taking decision. They have to make decision. And 3 of Wands, waiting, and this could be long distance relationship also. You or your person could be Sagittarius, especially, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. All signs are here. Definitely patience and balance is needed right now, because action cards, there are no action cards right now here. In near future they will make a move. Definitely some even little bit communication you will get from your person, and because Page of Pentacles is here. So right now you have to focus on yourself if you are waiting for your person. I am getting that message, because temperance, patience and balance is needed. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.